Because I'm trying to record, I've actually missed my entry. Okay, one more push up. Okay, good. Because I'm actually recording, I missed my entry. I enter a reversal. Actually, I enter a trade that is reversing, but I have to wait it out. Give it like 1 minute. Okay, good. So my trade has pulled through. I just made $21. I'm trading with $200. This week I'm supposed to trade with 225. Okay, but I just want to start first with 200. For this week, I'm supposed to trade with 225. So I'm only supposed to do 2 trades. 2 trades will get me $40. So this is first trade number 1. It's easy. It's just the same strategy. Nothing is hidden. You can see my chart. You can see that I was actually trading low. Because I wanted to record was why I waited. I missed my entry. I should have exited this trade. One or two ticks or so. So I'm gonna wait for another one. If there's gonna be, it's going down. So I'm going to wait for another one to see if I can run another trade. But I'm going to pause first. Okay, I'm going to pause and wait for another signal. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to wait to finish this. But I made a withdrawal of I think about $400. So the person has paid. So you see, this is how easy you can be collecting gradually. Okay, you can see this is the P2P order, and the person has paid. You can see it, 231,259. So the person made the payment, exact payment. So I can click on I have received payment because I have received the payment. Because I have received the payment. I need to pause this because my recording is on landscape, so it doesn't. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can still rock the trade. So this is my withdrawal, the one I just received the payment right now. Okay, that's about 230 something thousand. I'm still checking if signal will show up within my expected region. If it shows up below this line, I will likely make a trade. That's why I'm still home. So let me pause and see if I can get one so that I can complete my trade for the day. Okay, a signal is not yet available, so I don't think I can wait that long for the recording also. So this is for last week. You can see at the beginning of the month, first week, we made like $100. Second week, $172. So this week so far, we've already had about $50 for this week so far. Where did this thing move down? Okay, I'm trying to show you that there is a trading plan. Okay, I'm supposed to actually be trading with 225, so I'm trading with 200. So I'm making roughly $40 instead. So you need to understand it's slow and steady. Have a plan, trade a plan, and you're good. If signals are not available, you don't force them. Okay, you only flow with the market when it's going your direction. So right now, you can see the index I'm monitoring is going back. So I'm not bothered. The right time, the right signal will come, and if it doesn't come right now, maybe later in the day or anytime I'm ready to check on the trade again, I'll get to find the signal. So guys, it's slow, steady. You can be growing and making good profits, and then from there you start small. A lot of people don't want to start small, and they are not satisfied with 20% or 30% daily profit. They want too much, yet they have small capital. That's why they always blow up their account. And you can see I showed you how I make my withdrawals. I make sure I collect my money. Okay, this week before I even deposited, I had to collect, cash out, and then redeposit again, and then make profit when it's now balanced and now continue again. So that's how it runs. There are process for these things. So it's a step-by-step thing. You can be making this profit every day. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.